welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way you can style your stretch natural hair and you're good to go. So stay tuned. So you might want to take just the part, don't put any line on it, just grab this angle here like so, and you might want to brush it up. Excuse me, let me take my mirror. You might want to brush this part, let the back fall behind like so, and this part here, make sure everything is smooth. And I'm going to use my gold bobby pins. Now you can just play with your hair. Yeah, I'm happy with the way it looks. If I was in Africa, I'm good to go like this. Just lunch with a friend or anything. I hope you guys did enjoy this simple, nice hairstyle on my stretch natural hair, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Merry Christmas.